I decided to back again in the macro photography, but main struggle was my macro lens and the flash diffuser. I just made it solve by using the extension tube. The last morning I woke up and took my Pringles chips packet and cut it up for my flash diffuser, and I just got this idea from the YouTube, and really that is amazing to make the diffuser in a budget or DIY macro diffuser for lights. Then I just out from home went to botanical garden beside my house, and the environment was amazing, really amazing, too calm and quiet, and only the bird sounds which is amazed me, and I just boosted up to do macro photography again. And then I was walking to the beside of the lake, and I just seen a bush over there and just down over there by the stair. And the first thing of the macro photography is just observe the bush and observe the insect movement. The best time of doing macro photography is a morning, that means when the sun rises. And fortunately I got there a mantis, and I got there some moths, jumping spiders, and I took those photo. This photo is the mantis, which is the black mantis. Commonly we got the green mantis, green common mantis in the side, but fortunately I got the black mantis in that bush. And after that, this is the jumping spider, which is really naughty and too much rush to capture this one, because of the jumping spider always jumped over there, and that is not steady, and which is really struggle to get the focus of it. And next one is a moth, which is cutest one because of that is colorful and no rush, no pain over there. You can get any sort of focus to do that. And after that I got another one, which is the bee, which is normal bee, and fortunately I got him steady because of that is the time for getting food to the insect. That's why I got this one, fortunately. Actually I got these photos by using this 50mm 1.8G, which is the Nikon first party lens, and the extension tube, which is really nice, and you can use this one or two portion for getting the pictures. And the body, which is the Nikon D610, and that is really nice and a little bit old school, but I do like to use that. And already got my photos, which is really amazing. Actually the flash and the diffuser made it happen, and I got all the pictures by using those elements. I'll carry on this project and I'll show you what I'll get in future. The snaps actually. No more today. I'm Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.